Hello once again, my lovely, lovely students. We are going to do a little bit more about credit cards. I know it's a lot, but I think it's really important you guys get this information and really understand credit cards. So we talked about Katerina, we talked about Justin. Today we're going to talk about Saprina. And Saprina's credit card company charges 21.6% a year interest, or 1.8% per month for any unpaid amount. So every month, if she doesn't pay it off, remember that was Justin's problem, if they don't pay it off, they get charged interest. So for the month of January, Saprina purchased $340 worth of goods and services. I don't know what she bought, but she spent $340. So if each month she does not pay the credit card bill in full, but instead just pays the monthly minimum charge of $34, we're going to fill out this chart to see how much money she's going to end up paying. So if we look here, we're starting January, right at the beginning. Previous balance, $340. That's how much she spent, okay? And since she didn't pay it off, the interest charge here is 6.12%. How did we figure that out? Let me show you. And get out my trusty calculator here. Oops, we'll put it on this side. So she spent $340, right? 0.00. And every month they charge 1.8% per month. Okay? So if we're going to take that times 1.8%, okay, which is the same as 0.018. Okay, that's the percentages to decimals thing. So we take 340 times 0.018 or 1.8% and we get $6.12. Okay, that's how they got that. So then, I'll put this back up here. We have to take our balance plus interest. So you take the previous balance, this 340, and you add 612. 340 plus $6.12 is 346.12. Okay, makes sense? This plus this equals this. Okay? She's going to pay $34 every month. $34 is the minimum payment required. Minimum charge of $34. So that's what she's going to pay every month. All right? So if we take 346 minus what she's paying, so we're going to subtract, I'm going to take 346, it's 346.12, right? 0.12 minus $34, we get $312.12. Okay? That's pretty easy. So now let's look at February. All you have to do is take this balance from up here and move it down here. So we're going to take this and it's going to be 312.12, okay? Because that's the previous balance, is this number, okay? We're going to figure out how much interest charge there is on 312.12. So we have 312.12 times 1.8%, right? Because it was 1.8% per month. Okay? So now once again, my calculator has automatically changed that to 0.018. And so then we hit equals and we get 5.61816. Okay? But when we talk about money, remember we only talk about two numbers after the decimal point. Okay, so it's going to be $5.62 because this 8's going to round this one up to 2. So $5.62. $5.62. Okay? With me so far? Hopefully. Hopefully we're all together. All right, so now we're going to take we're going to take this 312, so we have to find our balance plus interest. So this is our balance, This is our interest. So we're going to take 312.12 and we're going to add $5.62, which means we get $3.17 $317.74. Okay, so that goes right here. 317.74. She's going to pay $34. 34. She's going to do that every month until the very end. Okay? So then we take 317.74. That's how much she owes. She's paid them $34. So if we subtract $34, we get $283.74. Okay, so we put in $283.74. Okay? So far so good? Now, we're going to do that same thing over again. So we're going to bring this balance down here. $283.74. We're going to take this times 1.8% to find our interest charge. We're going to add these two together to get our balance plus interest. She's going to pay $34. Okay? And that's going to give us our remaining balance. Okay? So you guys see this is going to be $34 all the way down to the end, except the very last month. Why is she not going to pay $34 the very last month? Because she won't owe $34 the very last month. She's going to owe less than $34, so she will only pay them what she owes them. She's not going to give them more than they need. Does that make sense? Yes? No? Hopefully? I don't like this talking to a computer and not being able to hear or see you guys. So this month is going to be a different amount right here. It's going to be something different because she's only going to pay them what she owes them. Okay? Hopefully that all makes sense. Okay, so you're going to fill in the rest of this chart. You're going to fill in all of these little pieces in here. You're going to take your previous balance times 1.8% to find your interest charge. You're going to add these two together, find your balance plus interest. And you're going to take this minus this equals this. Yeah? Hopefully. Then, what was the total interest paid? So you're going to have to add up all of these interest charges right here, this column. You're going to add these numbers all together. Oops. Add these numbers all together. Just those. Okay? And then how much did the items now cost by using the credit card? So the original amount, which was $340, plus your interest charge, which you just figured out right here, is going to give you your answer to that one. Okay? Hopefully, you guys are getting these. I know that we're really math heavy right now. When we work with money, we do need to work in math. I promise we'll get out of the math stuff and we'll get into some more interesting things coming up. But we got to get through this little piece right now. If you have any questions or you need any help with anything, let me know. I will help you out. Okay? I'll talk to you soon.